This is my E46 M3. It's in Silverstone individual metallic. I've had it for 9 years, and this is my dream car. Now, I've always wanted a BMW E46 M3. I didn't think that this was just a great car. I thought this was the best car from the best era of when cars were made. Now, this car wasn't perfect. When I first saw it, it was dirty, it needed a lot of love, but I needed something that could be driven regularly because I was in college at the time. I didn't have that much money, but I wanted something that would be special to me that I could improve on, and this fit the bill perfectly. I always wanted one with miles because I only had a $15,000 budget in 2015, and I knew if I wanted a manual, it had to have miles on it. And I test drove about a dozen E46 M3s, and none of them really made me attached. But one day, after scanning through the same Craigslist classified on a page full of the same E46 M3s I had always seen, I stumbled across this one. In pictures when I first saw this, it was just a faded light blue color, and I knew it wasn't one of the factory colors. But it wasn't until after I looked under the hood that I saw it said BMW Individual that I really understood that I'd come across something special. First look, wow, this looks great. Woo! Sick. Looks nice. I got all these doors removed to go onto the rack. Next, fitting it onto there. Okay, I had to slide one clip just a little bit up, and then I pressed it back in. Next, let's start test fitting. Finally got the rack onto the car. That means, soon enough, put the box on this thing too. Guys, I finally did it. The box is on the M3. This is what it's gonna look like for car week. What do you guys think? The fact that I got this is gloss black all the way to the bottom. I got the window cowl here changed. Got these trim pieces changed. Thank gosh, needed those to be changed. Okay guys, car week is literally 2 days away for us until we go on our road trip. I just dropped the M3 off to get the CSF intake installed. It's coming down to the wire. Leaving for car week in less than 12 hours. My car is finally finished. It's 7:30 p.m. the day before we leave. The car's finally ready. It's coming down to the wire. Let's go get it. Hey, to my car. Let's go check it out. How's the car look, babe? Eddie did a great job, huh? Okay, here we go. Look at this. First off, let's look at these welds. Look at all these little beautiful welds on here. They're so smooth. Wow, and the bending of this, the craftsmanship, you can just tell that they took their darn time with this, making sure that every single little piece of this was done perfectly. So there you have it. This is my E46 M3 dream build. Now the car isn't completely finished. I have a lot more things that I plan on doing with the car, but for now, this is where it's at and I am incredibly satisfied with it.